This is a 1948 and later kickstart assembly. It's called a silent kickstart. What it relied on is these balls and gravity. You can see the ball just wants to fall out, and then what it does, because everything's vertical like so, and it falls into one of these engagement pieces. However, it actually has a fatal flaw where after a period of time, oil, grease, road grit and shit gets in here and the balls don't fall out. So you get up on your Kickstarter, you go and give it a big kick and there's nothing there, just a whole bunch of fresh air. Your leg comes down, you hyperextend it, and more often than not you end up with some permanent knee damage. So what I come out with is adding these springs. So you've got, what we do is insert the springs into the ball locations, and then put the balls on top. Now you can put this assembly down on it like so, and now you've got 100% engagement every single time. There are absolutely no miss kicks. Now when you're putting it on the bike, the main shaft nut, which retains all this, either put it on with a lock washer or blue Loctite. We use blue Loctite. Lock washers sort of went out with Noah's Ark. So if you're using blue Loctite, always make sure there's no oil on the threads. Use blue Loctite and it will not come off. If it's a Harley, you sort of got to use red or above, but there's no problem whatsoever using blue on an Indian.